Kotoko last Premier League game I was first round the 2023-2024 no Richmond Lamptey Potia but for Katano na small ball. Now sports journalists they work room ahead of AFCON release squad na nene chine ya I was say Hughton de betu dwano and na omoma warning say sa coach ni nim na odrope the key player for Kotoko, the best midfield arguably in the Ghana Premier League, one her Asante. Kumasa Asante Kotoko last 7 Premier League games no so Asante Kotoko share Mediama, and Asante Kotoko share Legon Cities 3-1, and na o share Brekum Chelsea 1-0, and na o share Hearts of Folk 3-2, and na only Great Olympics ball draw, and on Kwane draw, and na o share RTU 1-0, and na wasako share Bofuakwa Tano 2-0 which happened and now so in the last 7 Kumasi Asante Kotoko Premier League games no Kotoko elusu game ni nyina Richmond Lamptey Adama obobo no ni creative spark no di gyina mfimfin ho amonfo ka se oya ade eche baba idrusu ene Edmond Adomo inti sanete dia squad eko AFCON no de nyankopon adama ya break Ghana Premier League no abrante no ho den fully fit Fiddle and sports journalists no didn't say me to you after Bofaka game no some of the sports journalists took to their Facebook handles and omuchochro nyoma now champion nani say Richmond Lamptey don't need any justification. Add the playmaker to the Black Stars squad for AFCON 2023 and ninsema ono de okanya no or say here justification bium. Just add the player to the AFCON squad. And no na ubia yina yehwehwe. Inti yetwen no Kevin otu ansa TV3 or say you see a player like this and people don't want him to be at the AFCON. Come on, so we are waiting for the list and see the names in there. No hashtag Richmond Lamptey and or the fire emoji no etaho. So coach Hughton yina ya feature ni ayehwe. Featuring any ayewe. Sikampede de Sports World Ghana. I understand Richmond Lamptey is at his quality best against Bofokatano FC. Go and make GPL players proud in Ivory Coast. That is the time also to make some good dollars. And Sikampede de kind. Sikampede de cry on the Watuna dream. Must go and make GPL players proud in Ivory Coast. That means on person what is BBA for Joyce Ano Angel TV on crying. Also, it will be surprised if Richmond Lamptey is not included in Ghana's final list for the AFCON 2023. And what a talent. Obviously, Richmond Lamptey is talented and also hardworking. When you combine the two, nothing can stop you.